Hello Shelja, congratulations to you for securing All India Rank 2 from Army category in Army Institute of Law Entrance Test. So, how are you feeling, and please introduce yourself and how you joined Prep for AIA.
Thank you so much for the introduction, ma'am. My name is Shalda Srivastav, and I secured an All India Rank 2 in the Army category of the Army Institute of Law Mohali entrance test, and I secured 152 marks out of 200. And I was enrolled in the Lakshay mock series, which immensely helped me.
Okay, great. So, how are you feeling now? How your parents are feeling?
They are feeling very proud, and I'm much relieved because after the boards and everything, I was constantly preparing for this.
Yeah.
So, when the result was out on the 13th of July, now I'm feeling very happy.
Okay, great. So, you started preparing for this exam after 12th only, right?
Yes, immediately after 12th, after the exams were over, I started preparing for this.
Okay. So you barely had 3 to 4 months and you prepared in such a good way that you secured All India Rank 2. So tell us something about your study schedule and about your journey, about some of the tips that you want to give to the other students.
Okay, ma'am. So after I got to know about this exam after my boards only. So I just made sure that I'm going to give this all I have. So it took me around 10 to 15 days to first orient myself what the syllabus is about, because it was slightly different from the other law entrance test, and I had science stream. So I was not in this direction. So that is why I first saw some videos on YouTube. I saw your video and there were other channels as well. Then I purchased few books which were very high yielding books. Like I did for the math section, I preferred 18 Day Wonder. I completed it.
Okay.
And then for English, because this exam has basic English, and there are certain things like synonyms, antonyms, idioms, and phrases, which are questions which are 100% going to come in the exam. You will find teacher go 3 to 4 questions every time. So it's more important to channelize your energy on the questions which are likely to come, because the time was limited. And this time, really, the exam was on the 5th of July, so I had time. Usually, last year it was in the month of May, so I did not know. So I prepared that way, as in it was on 24th of May. But that way, when I got the more time, I had the time to prepare again and then look for the blocks and to understand if I am going in the right direction, to cross check. So I think that is what helped me. And finally, in the exam, I felt very confident when I saw questions which I had practiced. So that is the best part.
Okay, so Shelja, pattern is changing every year. Like in 2023, for example, in 2023 there were no logical reasoning, okay? But logical reasoning as in critical reasoning, okay? Then later in 2024 there were no static GK questions, okay? And this time they have introduced DI in the exam, right? So how much hard it was for you, and how you how you did that section basically, because many of the students told us that mental ability section was very hard, it was not doable. So how you felt about that particular section?
Yes, ma'am. So I was quite aware that the English and the legal aptitude section in the GK are quite predictable. Though GK is always usually unpredictable, but I was well prepared because I kept on practicing the GK for the past 9 months at least.
Okay.
So I was good for that. So as and when the paper appeared, I firstly jumped to the English section. I completed it in the prescribed time limit that I set for myself. Moving ahead to the GK, then I gained confidence when I figured out, okay, GK was fine, it was doable. So I was happy with that. And your GK PDF that you provided with the Lakshay mock series really helped me. Moving ahead, I went to the legal aptitude, though this time legal had a lot of principal fact-based questions, which I was not prepared of because it was lengthy. It took 5 minutes more than what I expected it to take. Yes. And then I jumped to the logical reasoning. So I was clear in my mind that there are 50% questions will be, because it was a roughly 50% only, but it was logical reasoning and 50% was maths. Right. So I first made sure I do not do anything wrong in the logical reasoning questions, which are easy to do. Statement, conclusion, statement, assumptions. Right. So in those questions, I made sure that I have my full attention. I keep my equilibrium. The questions I found tough, I mark them for review, answering the question already, which I thought would come, because usually what happens is that we have 5 to 10 minutes left. If you're doing your papers sincerely, last में time बच जाता है. But इस बार I did not know कि last के 5 questions were DI. So I was just left with barely 7-6 minutes. So I just made sure कि जितना मुझे समझ आ रहा है मैं उसे attempt करूँ. And I was happy कि मैंने पहले अपना पूरा equilibrium रख के ढंग से पेपर किया था.
Right.
So अभी उसमें अगर मैं even if I guess I make a guesswork because it would be a blunder if you leave questions in this kind of paper where there's no negative marking. So I made sure कि मैं उसको attempt करूँ. So उस हिसाब से because अच्छा हुआ कि DI was last and just 5 questions were there. And I think out of 3 I could solve, 2 I could not. So
Right.
that
You
is
told
why.
me.
But otherwise जिन
After
बच्चों ने
coming
math से
back,
start
you
करा
told
उनके लिए तो
me.
surprise पहले आया होगा.
Right. So initially you guys were messaging on Telegram that ma'am कैसे होगा ये and all. You were also texting me ma'am question छूट गया मेरा, एक question छूट गया. In the end there was no time. Then I said कि कोई बात नहीं because mental ability का section tough था, ठीक है. तो now you are all India rank 2, so now it's like you overturned everything. What you were thinking and what happened in the end. So it's just about, it shows your dedication, how you told about your journey. So it shows that how dedicated you were for preparing this exam, and your dedication showed the results also. So tell me how you got to know about prep for AIL specifically.
Because like in my 12th also, I also got 98% my board exams,
Great.
luckily. But I do not take tuitions in general. But for like this exam, my parents only told me ki explore, because I wanted to leave no stone unturned to clear this examination, because मुझे कोई भी gap year ऐसे नहीं लेना था. I wanted to go to this college.
Right.
So I started to search on YouTube ki what channels are there, what they are teaching. So I was also looking for something that is quite affordable. So I found your channel, and there were claims that it truly reflects the examination pattern. So I thought I will give it a try. So I enrolled in your mock test series. There were 15 mock tests that were provided to us.
Yes.
I could not even solve all of them because वो last का time था. I could solve around 12 of them, but I made sure I revise all of them again and again. So
Great.
I did
Wonderful.
that. And I could actually, what I liked about the papers, the best part was that, जैसे आपने बताया, in the idioms and all, you give the match the following type questions, which
Right.
do not reflect in paper, but this gives you a lot of content
Yes.
to actually homework. So
Yes.
I think that was a very nice part. So this helped me. I think to clear any examination, the prerequisite is determination. For sure, you cannot go for shortcuts. If you wish to appear for an examination, it's always well if you give your 100% to it. So I made sure आपके उससे भी the best I can take on. I made my own notes that I can revise them one day before the examination. So I did that.
Students told us that there were direct questions from our mock test, specifically in the section of legal and GK. So did you find it same?
Yes, legal से भी काफी सारे थे, and GK से तो I would say because GK में you provided the past 9 months
Right.
one-liners. So usually what happens is that MCQs वगैरह और जो proper content होता है, it's very difficult. इसमें MCQs ही आएंगे, you know that. So
Yeah.
आपके one-liners जो थे, I read them I think 3 to 4 times, जितनी बार मैं कर पाई, because I made sure मैंने इसको 8 घंटे भी दिए अगर दिन में, that is just because कि I did not want कि मेरे पास जो resource है मैं वही ना करूँ अगर तो. So I did that, like Australian Open से Carlos Alcaraz वाला question, and there were many other questions I still remember on my tips की जो आए थे. So yeah, that is one thing. और बाकी अगर आप updated रहोगे what is happening, so इसमें current affairs भी काफी आते हैं and static GK भी आता है. So it is that अगर आप दोनों का mix अच्छे से करते हो तो you are good to go for the GK section also.
Okay, great. So Shelza, I think I was very much active on Telegram to personally guide the students. So how you felt that I was there, because I tried my best to help each and every students, and hundreds of students texted me after the exam, ma'am, your mentorship helped us a lot, your mocks helped us a lot, everything. ठीक है, so how you feel about that? What are your opinions about the personal mentorship or the personal guidance which I gave to the students?
So I did not enroll in the mentorship course per se, but I just only took the mocks. But
Yeah.
even then, there were certain times I used to text that I'm not sure इसका answer ये क्यों है, and all that query. But I found it very nice that whenever I used to post some question, I used to get an answer. Usually, when you purchase the mocks from somebody, they say they are not liable for explaining you why this or that is the answer. But I think that explanation was provided, and that is what that was needed, because ultimately my parents are there to, like, they keep on guiding me and pushing me to do that. So I needed the mocks. That was my priority. When I got that, I had queries. You were there to guide and answer. So I think that is the best thing. And jo paper se pehle you kept a session also, and that was like free for everybody. Anybody could join that. That was a very good session, because before the paper you are apprehensive, and you told us that just trust yourself and you'll be able to do that. And when you see other children also, they are also worried. So you just feel that, okay, I'm not doing anything wrong. This is natural. This is going to happen. So I think that is what helped me.
Yes, we conducted some of the sessions. Like one of the session was how to attempt the paper, okay, and strategy for sections, different sections wise strategy. So there were sessions which were available to everyone. Also, we conducted 2 All India mocks. First was free for everyone, and second was paid, but it was very much affordable. So we tried our best to help the students and to give the efficient level of preparation that they needed at that point of time, because only 2 to 4 months were there. So we tried to give the best in those months. Now, considering this, that exam is over, so counseling is going on. Are you there in the counseling group?
Yeah, I am a part of it.
Yeah. So I have already uploaded the video regarding the documents thing, and we are also coming up with a new Gmeet session wherein we will be addressing all the doubts of the students, because students are very much confused regarding the preference thing and everything. Okay. So this is the thing. Now I want a concluding remarks from your side, like what a kind of personal guidance that you want to give to other students who would be preparing for this exam in the future.
So, like, the personal suggestion I wish to give everybody is that, first of all, please take good care of your mental health.
Right.
There are times you feel that things are not going your way. The syllabus is half as hard. You're able to understand how to channelize your energy onto some resources. So, first of all, this paper is a doable paper. Even all the exams are doable,
Right.
if you give the right kind of effort and right kind of direction. I would say that do not scatter your resources. Channelize your resources to just few books, limited books, which are doable. For instance, the 18 Days Wonder I talked about. This is a book which is very comprehensive in nature. So if you do it 2 to 3 times, you are through. And then for English also, you need not go to very comprehensive and lengthy books, because here the questions are very direct and it's a very scoring section. After this, one more thing is, because it's a CBT based paper, you should give it a attempt that way, keeping that in mind, that time when it has to be solved, because sometimes you practice in some other mode in the hard copy, and then when you get it on the screen, you're just confused.
Yeah.
So that is also one thing that has to be taken into consideration. So I think this is it, and keep a good mindset, stay positive, and I think things are going to go your way for sure.
Okay. And lastly, a message from your side that you want to give to the students with regards to prep for AIL.
I would like to tell them that there are very limited institutions that really guide you, like the elder sibling would do to you. So I think that is what is here. They guide you very well, and if there are any queries, when there are any differences, even then they address it. So it's a very I think very approachable coaching, I would say. And even if it's your choice whether you want to take a mentorship. If you do not have anybody to mentor you, go for mocks. It is just that, because if you're preparing for exam, it's must to do mocks. If your preparation is done, you have to analyze it also if you're going in the right direction. What if you are studying a very different resource and exam, the questions are in a very different way? Because it's very different from other exams. So 200 questions in 120 minutes itself a challenge. So to be able to solve that, you have to keep yourself in that test mode with a timer on. So I think that is something you need to do. So you can definitely invest in the prep for AIL mocks, because I find them very useful. It is just that don't just feel like you do it and you leave it. You have to revise it 3 to 4 times so that you can get some good source of information from it.
Because most of the one-liners were directly from the mocks in the actual paper. So this is the main thing. And I congratulate you once again, and I wish you a very beautiful journey ahead in the institution. And I feel very happy that you joined this session today with us and gave the interview and helped the students who would be preparing for this in the future. So thank you so much, Shelja.
Thank you so much, ma'am.